Vechain is one of the coins that I believe is going to easily give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be focusing on the long term and also on the short term price prediction analysis and give you areas that needs to continue holding for the next coming hours and also days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis. You can see on the daily chart that last year we got our bear market lows, and after getting the bear market lows we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, breaking through significant key areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the 0.05556 in a move that I'm terming as an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1. And after we picked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, whatever I expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and the area lies between the 0.0341 and the 0.02207. And having fully maximized this target area, that means that there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can easily start an aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the bear market lows to the high for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we have at the moment in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2, giving me a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.08644, and based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that target area will give us more than a 4x to the upside. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 5. So that is a scenario that can play out as long as we continue holding above significant key areas of supports. Using the Fibonacci is once again connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to that high in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1. I want to show you an area that Vechain needs to continue holding in the next coming days and also weeks, and that is the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the 0.01834, which is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's. If by any chance we continue seeing further breakdown moves, losing that key area on the Fibonacci, there is a high chance that we are going to hit invalidation of these 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 structure that I have here on the charts, and also increase the likelihood that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves in a move that can give us a reset of the bear market lows below the 0.01332. That is something that you need to have in mind. But as long as you continue holding above the fib level 0.88, there's a high chance that we are going to see that massive breakout move in our 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3 and manage to cash out more than a 4x here on the Vechain chart and up to a 10x in the once the bull market is back. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the 1 hour chart, we have also continued to hold above significant key areas of support, where you can see that at the time of this recording we are holding above the 0.02091, which is a key area of support, and as long as this continues to hold, there is a chance that we are going to see a bounce back, manage to break above these significant highs that we made over here in a move that can give us a bounce to the next key area of resistance above the 0.02497, and a break above that with a successful retest. Then I will have my next target areas above the 0.027, We also need to have in mind that we can continue seeing further breakdown moves and maybe at some point lose support on the 0.02092, and the moment that plays out, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves to the next key area of support, or maybe give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the 0.01893, and from that point we can assess whether we are going to see a bounce back or maybe whether we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I've also given you the significant areas that we need to continue holding. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.